Alright, let's dive right in. You're staring at your phone, a little notification blinks, M1 bill due. And that familiar feeling of, wait, how exactly do I pay this thing again, creeps in. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple bills and payment methods can be a real headache. Especially when you just want to get it done quickly and move on with your day. Maybe you're a longtime M1 user and things have changed. Or perhaps you're new to M1 and feeling a bit lost in the payment process. Either way, you're looking for a clear, concise, and stress-free guide on how to pay your M1 bill. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick moment to acknowledge why this matters. In today's digital age, seamless and efficient bill payments are crucial. Late payments can lead to unnecessary fees, service disruptions, and even dings to your credit score. Plus, nobody wants to spend precious time wrestling with complicated payment systems. So, understanding the various ways to pay your M1 bill ensures you can keep your services running smoothly and your finances in order. Now, let's get down to business. M1, like many modern telecommunications companies, offers a variety of payment methods to cater to different preferences and lifestyles. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual who prefers online payments or someone who likes the traditional approach, there's likely a method that suits you. First up, let's talk about the most convenient and popular option, online payments. M1's online platform provides a streamlined and user-friendly experience for paying your bills. To access this, you'll need to head to the M1 website or open the My M1 Plus app. If you're using the website, simply navigate to the My M1 section and log in with your M1 ID and password. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to register first. Once logged in, you'll find a section dedicated to billing and payments. Here, you can view your current bill, past statements, and various payment options. One of the key advantages of paying online is the ability to use credit or debit cards. M1 accepts major credit cards, allowing you to pay your bill with ease. Just enter your card details, confirm the payment amount, and you're good to go. You'll typically receive an instant confirmation of your payment, providing peace of mind. Another popular online payment method is through the My M1 Plus app. This app is designed to provide a seamless mobile experience, enabling you to manage your M1 account and pay your bills on the go. After downloading and installing the app, log in with your M1 ID and password. Similar to the website, you'll find a billing and payment section where you can view your bill and make payments using credit or debit cards. But what if you prefer not to use credit or debit cards online? M1 also offers other digital payment options. One of these is through internet banking. If you have an account with a participating bank, you can typically set up M1 as a payee and transfer funds directly to your M1 account. This method provides an alternative to credit card payments and can be convenient for those who prefer to manage their finances through their bank's online platform. Another digital method gaining popularity is using e-wallets. Services like PayNow or GrabPay might be integrated into the payment process. If these options are available, they'll usually appear as payment choices when you are making payment through your My M1 Plus app. These e-wallets provide a secure and efficient way to pay your bills using your mobile phone. Now, let's move on to the more traditional payment methods. If you prefer to pay your bills in person, M1 offers several options. You can visit any M1 shop or authorized payment center to make your payment. These locations typically accept cash, nets, and credit or debit cards. Paying in person can be a good option if you have questions about your bill or need assistance with the payment process. M1 staff can provide guidance and help you resolve any issues you may have. However, keep in mind that visiting a physical location may require more time and effort compared to online payments. Another traditional method that some people still use is paying by check. While less common these days, it's still an option. If you choose to pay by check, you'll need to mail it to M1's designated address. Make sure to include your M1 account number and contact information on the check to ensure it's processed correctly. However, this method can take longer to process and may not be as convenient as other options. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, M1 also offers recurring payment options. You can set up automatic payments through your credit or debit card or through your bank account. This ensures that your bill is paid on time every month without you having to manually initiate the payment. Setting up recurring payments can be a real time saver and prevent late payment fees. You can typically manage your recurring payment settings through the My M1 website or the My M1 Plus app. You can choose the payment date and amount, and you can easily update or cancel the recurring payment if needed. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns that people often have when paying their M1 bills. One frequent question is about payment deadlines. M1 typically provides a due date on your bill, and it's important to pay your bill by this date to avoid late payment fees or service disruptions. You can usually find your payment due date on your bill statement, whether it's a physical or digital copy. Another common concern is about payment confirmation. After making a payment, you should receive a confirmation message or email. If you're paying online, you'll typically receive an instant confirmation on the screen. If you're paying in person, you'll receive a receipt. It's always a good idea to keep a record of your payments for future reference. If you encounter any issues while paying your M1 bill, such as payment errors or discrepancies, you can contact M1's customer support for assistance. M1 provides various channels for customer support, including phone, email, and online chat. You can also visit an M1 shop for in-person support. In addition to these payment methods, M1 may also offer promotional payment options or partnerships with other companies. These options can provide additional benefits, such as discounts or rewards. It's always a good idea to check M1's website or app for the latest payment options and promotions. To summarize, paying your M1 bill is a straightforward process with multiple options available. Whether you prefer online payments, in-person payments, or recurring payments, M1 offers a method that suits your needs. By understanding the various payment methods and following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure that your M1 bill is paid on time and without any hassle. Remember, keeping your account in good standing means uninterrupted service and avoiding those pesky late fees. So, take a moment, choose the method that works best for you, and get that bill paid. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.